Yeah. So I'm about to do a chrome delete on the grill. So as you can see, put the newspaper on the lights, and then I put the newspaper in the back and also on the radiator for double coverage. All right, first coat, light coat. And then what I'm gonna do too, I'm gonna make sure I hit these sides as well, because it's gonna be, but not hit the light. So I'm gonna try to make sure I get under this too. So I'm gonna sweep it under here a couple times, go here, and I'm gonna sweep it on this side. That'll be my 2-3 coats, and then everything else gonna be. I'm already seeing some imperfections right here, so like I said, we're doing 7 coats, so. Oh my. Damn, that shit hard. God damn, that shit hard. So, just day one after my install of the Plasti Dip, I'm gonna give y'all my feedback on this. Overall, it's a great tool to use if you want to do a simple, quick upgrade, budget friendly. That if you want to save some, and also too, if you got an older vehicle, or even if you got like faded paint or little small spots, Plasti Dip is a great recommended option to use instead of like going to go to a shop and use vinyl or whatever like that. It's a good option. One, it's very forgiving. So if you mess up a little bit or you're not the most precise person, at least if you mess up on this, I can just re-peel it, take that off, and then respray it again. On the grill came out great. Only thing about the grill is gonna be rough is that it's not a high touch area, but it's a high contact area. So I had to do like, I think like 7 coats. Well, I think I did 6 coats on this part. But the only thing that sucked about this part is that when I say high contact, it takes 7 days for it to fully cure. So when I'm driving, I'm hitting a whole bunch of debris. Like you see all them, I don't know if you see, it's like mosquitoes and stuff. I'm gonna show you. It's like mosquitoes. It's like mosquitoes and stuff that hit, and some will get on here. So if you got an option to like put like some type of protection on top of it, like maybe like a plastic or something, I don't know what you want to put, be creative. I'll recommend doing that for like 7 days, because I end up having this respray certain spots, you know, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get more debris as I start driving to work. And it took like 7 to 9 hours of my time to do it, but hey, it came out great. I already got compliments on it already. So in total, to peel all this off, like without even I said forget it. I saw even mask in the front. It took me probably a total of like 3 hours to kind of peel everything off extra. Like just make sure all the bottom was cleaned off, make sure the top, everything, all the excess was gone, and everything. Took probably like 2-3 hours to do that. And that's in between me doing like waiting the paint dry. So like 15 minutes, clean one spot, spray it, coat again, clean another spot, spray another spot, clean another spot, so forth. Let me know your thoughts, dude. Hit the if you got any questions, put in the comments, man. I'm out. Gone.